अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल। आज की वीडियो है अनबॉक्सिंग के ऊपर। सबसे पहले मैं ये बताता चलूँ कि आप जब ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, पहले आप इसको सब्सक्राइब करना, बेल आइकन दबाना, लाइक करना, शेयर करना और कमेंट करना मत भूलिएगा। तो आज की वीडियो है आईफोन 11 प्रो मैक्स पर। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हम अपनी वीडियो। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। नाउ गाइस वी आर ओपनिंग द बॉक्स. As you can see, it is just like iPhone XS Max. All the features are like that. Now just turn it on. Oh, it's turned on. Look. Now I will just show you the camera and the picture quality. Guys, as you can see, it has a very good picture quality in it. So good. As guys you can see, it have 3 or triple camera. Now keep it aside and look how much memory is it. It is 256. Wow, great. A lot of memory. You can download a lot of files, movies, videos, a lot of things in it. And it is a manual guide, as you can see how to start it. This is gifted to me from UK, so the adapter is made in UK. The iPhone is designed in USA, but the charger is designed in UK. So this is the headphones and the lead. There is a minor difference in this lead. You can see now. I will show you. As you can see, the USB cable is different from another one, so giving it a thumbs up.